upon a tree. Hi, welcome to my channel. Today you're going to learn how to do this beautiful, unique, very glamorous Maleficent. I was inspired by the original Maleficent with a little bit of Angelina Jolie Maleficent. So I hope you like it and enjoy this video. And if you want to learn how to do this look, just keep watching. We're going to start applying our base color, and I'm using these two and mixing them together to have this greenish bluish color. Once we have the color that we want, we're going to apply it on our face and chest. Using white cream paint, I'm going to do all the highlights of my face, and this is going to leave a sticky surface where I'm going to put a lighter green eyeshadow on top. I'm using the Picasso palette from Morphe to do contour and highlights. I'm using the dark green for a contour and a little bit of black, and also using the light green for highlights. I'm using NYX eyebrow pencil in black for my eyebrows, and I'm trying to keep them bold and a little bit round as the Maleficent original eyebrows. For the eyes, I'm using a dark purple eyeshadow and trying to keep the winged eye shape. Then with the holographic highlighters palette from Naked, I'm grabbing this highlight that has like a purple shimmery and applying it in the inner corner of my eye. I wanted to have very dramatic eyes in Glamorous, so I decided to put a wing eyeliner on top of it. I'm using this gel crayon in dark green from Lancome, and these are really nice eye pencils. They're very, very creamy, so I'm going to use it inside of my waterline so I can blend that underline with my cat eye. I wanted to add some glitter, and for that I'm using this Pop Beauty liquid glitter eyeshadow. We need to add some mascara before our lashes, and I'm using this mascara from Wonder Beauty that came on my BoxyCharm from July, and I'm really loving it. Like, I haven't stopped using it since I got it, so that's good. I'm gonna put some glue on a huge pair of lashes that I found, and then I'm gonna put them on a side to let them dry a little bit before I put them on. And today I got this huge PR package from Huda Beauty with the new Demi Matte collection, and I wanted to use it so much that, well, I couldn't help but to use it on Maleficent. And I'm gonna be using the red, which is the boy collector. And yeah, look, this is so pretty. Oh my god, look at that, all the colors, all perfect. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Alright, I got distracted for so long with the PR package from Huda Beauty that my eyelashes were drying really fast, so I'm just gonna go back ahead and put them on, and then I will put the lipstick on. The formula on these lipsticks are great. The smell, it's wonderful. It smells real good. It smells like the beach or something like that. And they're really pigmented, which I love. They're creamy. They feel good. They stay good. So this is a yes for me with this lipsticks. So this is the makeup. It's really easy and it doesn't take that long really, which is great. And you can get the cape and the horns at Party City or Casa de los Trucos or the House of Costumes, or sometimes online you can find them too. And yeah, I love this look. It's one of my favorites so far. Well, this is the final look. I really enjoyed this video. I love painting myself green, and even though it's not my favorite color, well, kind of it. No, it's not. I like white and purple and pink. Well, I like a lot of colors. I like all the colors, really. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. What villain should I do next? That's pretty nice. Pretty good. I love it. I love it. really, really, really want